Students, we have learnt about utility in the 11th standard. So let me revise what is utility. Utility means want satisfying power of a commodity or power of a commodity which satisfies human want. जो commodity हमारे want को satisfy करता है उसे हम utility कहते हैं. Now what we are going to learn is features of utility. The first point is utility is a relative concept, which means utility differ from person to person, place to place, and time to time. Right? For example, woolen clothes have more utility in winter season than in summer season. In the same way, sand has got more utility in the construction site than at a seashore. This is first one. The second one is utility is a subjective concept because utility is a psychological feeling. It differs from person to person. It also differs in taste, preference, likes, dislikes, nature, habits, profession, etc. Example, a cigarette gives utility to a smoker but does not give utility to a non-smoker. Stethoscope has got utility to a doctor but not to a layman. Utility is, third one is utility is ethically neutral, which means the utility satisfies both the want which is moral as well as immoral. Right? Knife is used by wife to cut vegetables. Same knife is used by a killer to kill the people, which means it satisfies our good want as well as our bad want. Now utility differs from usefulness. Now because there are certain goods which satisfies human wants, but at the same time it is not good for our health, right? It is not useful for our health. The job of utility is to satisfy consumers want, but sometime consumption of a commodity may give satisfaction but may not be useful for our health. Example is smoking cigarette, chewing tobacco, drinking liquor. This all gives satisfaction but it's injurious to health. The next is utility is different from pleasure. The job of utility is to satisfy consumers want, but sometimes consumption of a commodity may give satisfaction but may not give any pleasure. Example, tablets and injections have utility for a patient but it may not give any pleasure because it doesn't give any enjoyment. Next is utility is different from satisfaction. Now utility is different from satisfaction because utility comes before consumption and satisfaction comes after consumption. Next is measurement of utility is hypothetical. Now why utility is an hypothetical concept? Because it is a abstract concept which is related to our mind, right? So it cannot be measured. It can be only set subjectively. For example, a utility has a water has more utility to a thirsty person, but when he drinks the water it cannot be expressed in numbers. The level of thirsty cannot be expressed in numbers. That's why utility is said to be a hypothetical or an abstract concept. The utility can only be experienced and found either it is positive, 0 or negative, but it cannot be expressed in cardinal numbers because it is related to our mind, it's related to our psychology, which cannot be expressed in numbers. Next is utility is a multi-purpose. There are certain commodities which have number of which has got the ability to satisfy number of wants. For example, electricity, water can be used for cooking, cleaning, washing, bathing, and most importantly generating electricity. Electricity can be used for lighting our house, listening to music, ironing the clothes, heating the water, cooking food. So in this way the certain commodities have multi-purpose utility. The next is utility is the basis of demand. Right? Now why utility is basis of demand? Because we buy a commodity on the basis of utility. If a commodity has got utility, it has got demand. If the commodity is able to satisfy your want, you demand a commodity. So a commodity has demand only when it has got the utility. So we call utility as the basis of demand. And the Last one is it depends on the intensity of want, right? Utility depends on the intensity. For example, a person will be more thirsty, a person is thirsty, then the intensity of want will be greater for him than a person who has already had some water, right? कि जो आदमी भूख लगता है तो खाने की चाहत ज़्यादा होती है, प्यास लगती है तो पानी की चाहत ज़्यादा होती है। इस तरीके से यूटिलिटी का यूटिलिटी जो है इंटेंसिटी पे डिपेंड करता है। दैट्स वाई इट इज सेड दैट यूटिलिटी डिपेंड्स ऑन द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ वांट। It is more intense, greater will be the utility, less intense, lesser will be the utility, right? For example, a hungry person finds more utility in food than a person who is less hungry.